I will teach you how to operate and use this LG07. It is made entirely of metal. Now let's connect it to power. It will power on automatically after being connected to electricity. The device's hotspot will be displayed on the screen. We need to connect our phone to this hotspot. Go to Wi-Fi settings on your phone, find the device's hotspot, and connect to it. It will automatically redirect to the device backend interface after a successful connection. Then click here to find and set up the network. Then you need to connect to your personal Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi name and password here. Click here to save after entering. Then click Restart again. After powering on, it will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi you set up. The backend address of the device will be displayed on the screen. Open the backend address in a browser on your computer or mobile phone. Here you can view the device's running status and other information. You can add other devices here for viewing and management. Click here to set up Wi-Fi or switch to another Wi-Fi. After setup, click the Save button below. Then click Restart. You can set up information such as the mining pool here. You can enter the mining pool address, wallet address, and other information as prompted. You can set the frequency and voltage here. After entering, click Save below. Then click Restart, and it will save and reboot automatically. You can also customize and switch between different colors here.